I think I'm hooked on something. I don't know what that is. Like a turtle or like a log. Doesn't feel like a fish. What is that? Is it a turtle? Oh my gosh. This is a humongous, humongous turtle. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I don't know if I'm gonna get this in or not. Look at that turtle. Look at it. Big old snapper. Holy cow. Let's see if we can get it in. Definitely cutting the line here. Holy moly. Oh, that's why it's caught up in his shell. There you go, buddy.